This conference will now be recorded.
Hello?
Hey Sandeep. Hey.
Hello?
Thanks for joining.
No problem.
No, you are waiting already in the meeting or just
Sorry?
no? You are already waiting for the meeting.
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. You can't hear me? Oh? Hello? Hello, Seshu?
Hello. Just confirm me now. You can you hear me or still same issue?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Now I can hear you.
Okay, and I can
But
hear you.
I hope you can hear me, right?
Yes, I can
No
hear you
disturbance.
now.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thanks. No, like I think, did you get a chance to practice yesterday?
Yeah, I think I finished it correctly.
Okay, good, good, good. Mhm. Let me do the screen share and then let me finish. So I'm doing screen sharing. Just let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, okay. So yesterday you did what all you did yesterday? Can you recap it?
Yesterday we did uh, defining the name of the company, defining
Mm-hmm,
the company code, assigning
mm-hmm,
company code to company name,
mm-hmm.
uh, defining company
Okay.
business area, creating charter of account, and then assigning charter of account to business code.
Have you done any company code? This one you have done TNTTU.
Yeah,
This is the one, right?
yeah.
Okay. You have created chart of account TNOC. Okay. You have created. I think you have not done field status variant, posting period variant. Also, you need to do.
No, we didn't learn that yesterday.
Okay. You do that also. Okay. I think if I go for TNUS. Oh, what happened TNUS? We did for chart of account also we created right yesterday.
Yeah,
It is missing chart of account. TNT. TNT. Okay. There. I don't know. Field status variant also missing. Yes, it is missing. Okay, let me finish it. The missing configuration. I'll go to SPRO. I think yesterday already we did, but somehow it is missing. Maybe some system problem. So again, it is refresh. System is refreshed, so that is the reason the data is deleted, I guess. So let me create a field status variant. Fiscal year, maintain fiscal year. Okay, fiscal year. I think we created 4K, right? Not 4K. What we created fiscal year? Any idea? You remember?
I don't think we made fiscal year last time.
Oh, okay, okay,
I
fine.
think
Then I
we
think
talked about it, but we didn't actually make it.
okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay. Then I think we created chart of account, right?
Yes.
So let me create a chart of account. So I'll create a chart of account. TNOC I have created, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll create different one. O TNT operational COE chart of account for TNT. Okay, here okay, I think I'll maintain it English, and the length of the GL account I'll maintain 6, and then I'll save this one. 20, it is missing. Let it save this one. Go back. So like a chart of account I've created, and then I'll assign the chart of account to company code. Go to company code and the chart of account TNT TNUS. I'll assign the chart of account to company code OTNT. I'll save this one. Go back, and then I'll create a account groups. So basically, like a chart of account is used for to create the GL account. So
Mhm.
like when you want to create any GL account, general ledger accounting. So general ledger accountings will be created under chart of account level. Also, to create the GL account, we need to segregate, or else we need to create some account groups. Like the GL account, what is the specific GL account, what is related to which account group we need to specify. We need to segregate the all the GL account. Segregation mostly like we can do by using profit and loss account and balance sheet. Like we can create two account group basically. Sometime we may require four account groups also, like a profit and loss account which consists expenses and revenues. Also, uh, balance sheet we have a assets and the liabilities. So basically, we need to create the four account groups. Account group like the purpose of creating account group is to segregate the GL account. To segregate the GL account. So let me create the four account groups along with one secondary cost element also. I'll go here. I'll copy existing 1004, or else we can create also, but anyhow it is already there. I'll copy from 004. I'll change it to OTNT center. So here if you observe, like one series is a liabilities, two series is assets, and three series is revenues, four series is expenditure, and other series which is 9 series is secondary cost elements. So we will discuss about what is primary and secondary cost element, that we will discuss in the while creating GL account. Save it. That's it. Now we created a account groups. Next one which we need to do the retained earnings account. The retained earnings account, like every business they will prepare the profit and loss account. After preparing for a profit and loss account, we may get profit or loss. That profit or loss to be prepared under one GL account, or the profit to be tracked under one GL account. So that purpose also we need to create one GL account which is defined earning accounts, defined retained earnings account. So let me go to this configuration also. So I'll take the chart of account, like when we select this one, by default system will ask the chart of account. Specify our chart of account TNT, press enter. Now profit and loss account we can consider as X, which is either you can consider any one digit code here, either X, Y or Z, anything. And GL account I'll consider 100. press enter. So here you will get the warning message because account 100 not created in chart of account, because we have not created any GL account. Now we are doing the just configuration activity. So while doing configuration, system will verify the GL account is available in master data level or not. So since it is not available, so that is the reason it is giving warning message. Just ignore it, press enter and then save it. So now we created chart of account and assigned the chart of account to company code and created account groups, and then fourth defined returnings account also we have done. Okay, so next step which we need to do, field status variant and then fiscal year variant and posting period variant. Let me go to field status variant and fiscal year variant. So the path same like SPRO reference IMG, financial accounting global setting. Under ledger you can see the fields. Click on fields. So basically fields can be controlled by using this configuration, like the fields, which field is displayed and which field is suppressed, which field can be hide and which field can be selected as a mandatory. That can be done by using this configuration. So let me go to defined field status variant configuration. Click on defined field status variant. Here SAP, like when we purchase SAP software, SAP will provide standard configuration. Mostly like you no need to create a few configuration scratch. Instead of creating scratch, we can copy from existing and we can create our own field status variant. So let me copy from 001, which is a standard one. Click on copy as. Now change it to TNT or TNUS field status variant for TNT TNUS. Press enter. When you copy and when you change the name, by default it will come up the pop-up screen where you can see the copy all option, only copy entry cancel. So select the copy all option. Now you will get the message 43 records are copied. So now you can see the number of dependent entries copied. Number of dependent entries copied 43. Just click on it. Now we have a created, save it. So the field status variant is TNUS. Now assign the field status variant to company code. Click on assign company code to field status variant. So right side you have a company code. Find out our company code, which is TNUS, and assign the field status variant TNUS only. Don't confuse here. Our company code name and field status variant I have created same, but mostly in real time scenario we can create differently or you can create same also. There is no specific restriction to be created. As per client requirement, as per client understanding, we can create a field status variant as a similar to company code. Click on it and then save it. So now we created field status variant also. Next one, we'll go for fiscal year and posting period variant. Just click on fiscal year. Now fiscal year also is a specific setting where SAP has provided we need to set up. Basically fiscal year is nothing but it's a financial year of the company, like which financial year business is following. Either the business they are following calendar year is nothing but it's January, they will start business in January. We have been disconnected because another connection was made. Not comfortable. Who has done here? Sorry, just disconnected system. Let me try again. Okay, sorry. So now we are going to do the fiscal year variant. So the purpose of maintaining fiscal year variant is some business, like some countries, some business, they are following business fiscal year like a calendar year or non-calendar year. As per the requirement, we need to set up the fiscal year variant. If they are following calendar year, we need to maintain the calendar year. If they are following non-calendar year, we need to maintain the non-calendar year. Hope you clear for fiscal year variant concept, right?
Yes, I understand it.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll go and do the configuration of fiscal year variant. Just click on IMG activity. Now here again fiscal year concept also SAP already provided standard fiscal year. Standard which is K related K1 or K2, K3. Here SAP has provided K1, K2, K3, K4. These four SAP has provided standard. When we purchase software, definitely you can see the standard fiscal year variant. So K related all is calendar year related one, like calendar, which is January, February, March, April. This similar way, like they will start business January and they will close the business in December month. So depending on business requirement, we can create, we can utilize. So basically, we won't use the same one, which is K4. Instead of K4, we can copy and we can create new one. Or else, if it is not a calendar year, I'll go for V related, like V1 or V2, V3. So here V1, also V3 is there, V4, V6. If I select V3, V4, V6, V9, these are our four. V3, they start business in April and close March month. And similar V4 also, it is also similar. Maybe I think V4 someone has created, but mostly SAP has provided V3, V6, V9. V6 is for they start business in July and they close business in June month. V9 they start business in October and close their business in September month. So depending on business requirement, we need to utilize or we need to copy. So for now, I'm considering K4, which is calendar year, K4, which is a calendar year. And one more thing here, we need to understand like number of periods. You have a like here number of period is 12. Number of special periods are 4. Like 12 period is January to December. Like a 12 posting period is enough. Additionally, SAP has provided 4 special periods which generally we use for year-end activity. If you want to do any year-end related activity, generally we use for 4 special periods. So general posting, general normal posting purpose we use 12. and additionally 4 we use for special posting periods. So just copy K4, click on K4, copy. Now I'll copy and create new one. So instead of I'll change it to T4. So let me try for a T4. If it is available, T4 system will not allow. So here you can see the an entry already exists. So it is there already. So it will not allow. I'll choose for U4. Let me try for U4. Yeah, E4 is not there. So that is the reason system will allow, and then it will make you to copy all the existing entries. Just copy all. Click on copy all. Now you can see the number of dependent entries are copied 32, and then save it. I hope you clear for special periods, right?
Special periods is just the quarterlies, right?
Special periods is for year end. Like suppose, let's take now we are following calendar year, which is January to December.
Mm-hmm.
So when we close the business in December month, when we close the business in the December month in 2021, let's take where we are in currently. Just assume we have a using calendar year and the current month which we are in December month. If we are in December month, you already need to close the 2021 in the December 31st. You need to close and you need to open 2022 fiscal year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now you have completed that one. But something like in January month 2022 January, you realized and there is a one transaction posting which is missing for 2021. Actually, it is related to 2021, but right now you are in 2022. 2022. So now system will not allow you to post the transaction which is related to 2021. So that is the reason what you will do. You will select the posting period 14 to 16. System will allow January, February, March, April. Up to April, system will allow. If any adjustment, if any transaction missing are there for 2021, system will allow to post in 2022 for 2021. You got it?
So you have 4 specific exemptions for posting for the previous year.
Correct, correct. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So normal like a 12, you know, right? 12 periods, 12
Mm-hmm.
months. Yeah. General 12 months which we have a that is common. Also there is a tick mark which is a calendar year. So if it is selected calendar year, system will understand like how many days are in January, how many days are in February. Thus by default SAP standard backend it will be maintained, so no need to worry about that calendar year concept. Let's save this one. Now we maintain the fiscal year. Okay, now next step, we need to assign this fiscal year variant to our company code. So like whatever you create, always we need to assign it to our company code. If you don't assign,
Mm-hmm.
system will not understand which fiscal year you are following, which posting period you are using, which chart of account you are using. System will not understand. Always you we have to create and we need to assign it to our company code.
Mm-hmm.
Anything like either chart of account, either fiscal year variant or posting period variant or anything, we can do that. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll go for assign company code to fiscal year variant. Year position under TNUS. Here you can see the fiscal year variant. What is our fiscal year variant?
It was the V.
U4.
Oh,
U4.
U4.
Yeah.
Okay.
U4. We created U4. I'll just save it. So now fiscal year variant created and assigned to company code. Next one, posting period. Here the purpose of maintaining posting period, see in real time scenario mostly like 100% we want to open all the posting periods at a time, like 12 posting periods we will not open. Like a posting period, 12 posting periods. What are all posting period? January 1st period, February 12th period, that we need to maintain it in the posting period level. So here we have a three steps are there in this configuration. Posting period related configurations are three steps. One is variant for open posting period and assign variant to company code. This two is a one time activity. And the third one, which is a open and close posting period, is every month we need to do in real time scenario. Why? Because currently we are in September month, we will open only September month. Once September is completed, we will open October. Once October is completed, we will close October and we will open November. So the similar way we will do in real time scenario. So that is the reason third step, which is a repetitive work on every month, on every month end. So let me do these three steps for open posting period variant also. Click on define variant for open posting period. So let me create open posting period similar TNUS posting period variant for TNUS. Save it. If you have any doubt, if you have any confusion, just stop me and ask me the question. You don't worry at all to learn. Okay,
Yeah,
Sandeep?
that's far I
Yeah,
understand. So,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Next step, which is assign variant to company code. Like here we have a created variant and then that variant we need to assign it to company code. So let me go to second step, assign variant to company code. So position company code TNUS. Here variant we need to assign TNUS. But here don't confuse, like here TNUS and here also TNUS. Might be for easy to remember, I'm creating same thing like a company code also same name and a variant also same name, but we can create differently also. Here if you observe TR01, the fiscal year variant 001 1000, similar way also we can create. I'll save this one, go back. I'll just go back, and the third step, which is open and close posting period. So let me do the third one, open and close posting period. So when you click on that, system will ask the posting period variant, which posting period variant you are using. So TNUS. Now you can see the we need to maintain the new entries. So just click on new entries. So here account type, first column is account type. Here account types we can control against to one specific activity purpose, like valid for all accounts. If you select plus, it is applicable for all accounts like assets, customer, vendor, material, GL, contract account. These are all applicable for all account types. So basically real times we will maintain all these details. So similar way I think I'll maintain it. So plus applicable for valid all accounts. From period, which is 1, like January, and fiscal year 2021, 2 period 12, and year 2 fiscal year 2021 only. Authorization group, it is only specific person. If you maintain this authorization group, only specific person only can able to access, can able to change it. So in real time scenario we will maintain this one, so now not required. From period 2, it is special periods which I told you, 13 2021, 2 period 16, the fiscal year 2021, and the period 3, period from period 3 is there. This generally we use for controlling posting to FI. This period 3 related field is not then in ECC. In S4 HANA only this is introduced. These two fields are introduced in S4 HANA system, but in ECC this is not there. So anyhow, it is applicable for post the transaction from CO to EFI. So
So
now,
for the special periods, what was the reasoning behind keeping the year 2021 instead of putting 2022?
no. This is special period we use for current year, not future period, future years.
Mm-hmm.
Or else I'll not maintain it for now. This needs to be maintained in December month. Not
Okay.
December also. We will maintain in January month. January 2022 we will maintain.
Mm.
January 2022. Let's assume right now we are in January 2022.
Yeah.
In that case, we will maintain 13th period. Here we will maintain 2021, not 22.
Okay. So that's just to make sure that you're still putting postings for 2021.
2021. Because in 2022, this one is a 2022. Let's take here, instead of confusion, I'll take here 2022. Is it make sense for you now? You get
Mm-hmm.
why we are maintaining this to 13, 16 and fiscal year
Yeah.
2020, 20,
Yeah.
because right now we are in 2021. Okay. So 2020 related any missing transaction, system will allow to allow the last year data. If any missing data for last year, we can post by using special periods.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting, I think you have any confusion or any clarity missing.
No, I understand now.
Okay, yeah. But just I'm maintaining it. But right now we are not using, because right now we are in September month.
Mm-hmm.
This like a last year data will allow up to April month only. January, February, March, April.
Yeah.
January 2022, February 2022, March 2022, April 2022. Up to 4 months system will allow.
Mm-hmm.
After 4 months, even if you miss something, system will not allow you to post last year data.
Yeah.
Okay. So now one more thing here you need to understand, like from period 1 to period is 12. So in real time scenario we will not maintain like this. We will maintain right now which period, current period is
September to December.
what is the current period? September, right?
Yeah. 9.
September is 9. From is 9 to also 9.
Because you're
9.
opening and closing per month. Yeah.
Okay, because it is a month, every month activity.
Mm-hmm.
System like users may do the some mistakes. Instead of posting current month, they may post future month or they may post previous month. If you maintain year 8th month, let's take if you maintain 8th month, they may do mistakes, like they can post previous month, they may post current month also. But
Okay.
always always every transaction should post only for current month. Current related month data only we need to post, not previous, not future.
Yeah.
2021 9 9 2021 9 9 it is 9 9 9 9 9 9. So here, maybe I think you know, right? Here there are account types. A is assets, D for customer. If I go for F4 option, you can find it. What is A? What is A for assets, D for customer, K for vendor, M for material, S for GL accounts, V for contract account. So any of contract account is not part of FI. So I'll delete this one. This is will maintain for if you are following only contract account. Finance is only we will look for. Specify upper limit. Where is upper limit? 2019 9 is there. Okay, what is that? 9 2022. Okay, okay. I think let me try for here only. Maybe something we change it, so that is the reason. Okay, let me maintain manually. 9 2021 9 2021 masked 13 2020 16 2020 account intervals non-masked account type. Have changed an entry which is valid for specified and 1 minute. Why it is not allowed? Okay, plus 9 20 2021 9 2021. Specify upper limit for account interval for non-masked account type. Change an entry which is valid for a specified account type and does not have a specification for the account intervals. Not allowed only entries with plus with specifying an account interval with interval type plus with specifying an account or allowed. First time I'm seeing this message. It is there. And is there one is there. Yes. Yes. A D K K. Yes. Specify upper limit for account. Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. Mhm. Okay, okay, got it. See, basically what it is thinking, like a lower limit blank and upper limit also same thing. So that is the reason it is considering for year from account to account. If any GL account is there, then we need to specify. So that is the reason it is not maintained. So it is asking. See, if I don't mention here, it is considering from account to account. Both are blank. That means system is misunderstanding. From account is blank and to account is blank. So that is the reason it is considering from and to is both are non-masked item, which is a upper limit for account non-masked account type. So that is the reason it is asking some amount needs to be maintained. So I'll maintain it all like 999 2021 9 2021. So I think this is a in ECC this concept is not there. So in S4 HANA it is mandatory to maintain masked account for account types. 2021 021. Okay, so anyhow V is not applicable. I'll delete V1 and save this one. So now here like 9, currently we are in September month, so that is the reason we will maintain 9 9. From is 9 to also 9. Once we move on to October, then we will maintain from account from period is 10 to period also 10. That means system will allow only October month. Okay,
Okay.
I'll go back. So now we did for financial accounting posting period all related activity, and then field status variant. That's it. So now we can verify all that configuration which we did till now. We can verify under global parameter level. So this global parameter, which is only for verification, like company code details, what are all details are available in global parameter level. So you can go by financial accounting global setting, global parameters, enter global parameters. Click on enter global parameters, click on position, give the company code TNUS, double click on TNUS. Now you can verify the related configuration like a TNUS and chart of account. Also you can see the company name, fiscal year variant, field status variant, and the posting period variant. So we did these many configuration. Now we will go for master data. Let me check. I hope this document is helping you, right?
Yeah, it is.
For practice. Yeah, yeah. So assign fiscal year variant, posting period variant, and then this is done. We did for field status variant also. Okay. Next one is we need to do for tolerance setup. Okay. Tolerance is basically we need to do the configuration specific small adjustment purpose, small difference purpose, any discount. If you want to give any discount, system will not allow if you don't maintain any tolerance. So basically tolerance is for small differences, small adjustment purpose we use tolerance. Even if the company is not providing any discount, either some companies they may provide, but some companies they may not provide discount also. Depending on company to client we need to maintain, but if they are providing, we can mention the discount, how much percent they are giving discount, how much they are giving payment differences also. Like when you make the payment, a small difference might be occur in real time scenario. If any small differences is occurred, system will not allow you to adjust the balance if you don't maintain this tolerance. So here this configuration also required for every company code. These two like a tolerance we need to maintain, one for employee tolerance and another for tolerance for GL account. Let me go for tolerance also. The same path like SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, under GL, business transaction, open item clearing, clearing differences. Like clearing is nothing but just a payment differences. When you make the payment, let's take you have a due for 1000. Now you are paying it 999. So there is a small difference, one which is a 1 INR, small difference is there. That small difference system will not allow in case if you don't maintain any tolerance limit. So the tolerance limit is mandatory. Without, like sometime you don't give any tolerance also, even though at least we need to maintain the company code. So that is the reason we will maintain it company code in the tolerance level. So just click on define tolerance for GL account, select new entries, company code TNUS. Here group, if you have a like many groups needs to be maintained for one company code, again we need to maintain. So right now one tolerance group we are maintaining, so I'm not maintaining specific tolerance group level. So I'll maintain it tolerance groups for US, EN US. The debit posting tolerance for groups for GL account in local currency. What is the debit posting? Minimum debit posting is 100. The maximum is 100. Credit posting, sorry, not maximum. Only minimum we need to maintain here. Minimum purpose, like minimum amount is 100 and credit side is 100, debit side is 100. Percentage, like how much discount system has to allow, we need to mention here, or else we can give it blank also if you are not giving any discount or any tolerances. So right now I'm mentioning 1%. Click on save. That's it. So now we maintain tolerance for GL. So next one, tolerance for employees. Click on define tolerance for employees. Select new entries. Group, I'm not maintaining any group. It is applicable for all company code. Like our company code, one group we are mentioning. So company code is TNUS. Amount per document. Like when you do the transaction posting, what is the per line item? How much amount system will allow? But in real time scenario, mostly we will maintain maximum amount. Open item, like a due item, how much system has to allow? I'm also mentioning maximum amount. Cash discount per line item, I'll give 1%. Permitted payment differences, I'll mention here 100, here also 100, or else I'll give 10 only since it is a USD. Percentage 1%, 1%. I'll save this one. Like it is a payment difference, it is a cash discount. Save it. So now we maintained tolerance also for our company code, like a GL tolerance, employee tolerance we have completed. Okay, so I think we did some configuration. So can we wind up or can we continue for another some more time? Sandeep, you there?
Sorry. Yeah, we can wind up.
Okay, we can wind up. Maybe as I told you, you need to utilize the system from like which time I have alerted to you, the
I
system
think I
allotment.
asked my time
For,
6 p.m. So that's 9:30 p.m. India.
okay, 9:30 to 11:30, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay. Maybe you can utilize the system from 9:30 to 11:30. So tomorrow, I think at what time we are connecting tomorrow? 10:30, right? 10:30 IST. Tomorrow is Monday.
10:30 means 7. Yeah.
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 Okay. Is it okay, or we can at least we can move to another 1 hour, like 11 IST? Okay. Okay. I think we
No,
can
I
do
think
10.
yeah, 10 is fine.
10:30 is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Fine. Thanks.
10:30 is fine.